Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here, fill in the blanks. At a construction site, there are 19.5 loads of bricks. If total weight of all the loads together is 579.735 kg, then the weight of one load is dash kg. Now we have total weight of all loads as 579.735 kg, and there are 19.5 loads of bricks. Therefore, weight of one load will be total load weight divided by number of loads. So we'll simply divide 579.735 divided by 19.5. Now both numerator and denominator can be divided by 5. So let's try that. 5 ones are 5 ones are 2 remains 2 29, 5 5s are 25, 4 remains 47 decimal point, 5 9s are 45, 2 remains 23, 5 4s are 20, 3 remains 35, 5 7s are 35, and divided by 5 3s are 15, 4 remains 4.4 decimal point will be here 45, 5 9s are 45 kg. We can simplify this further. Now both numerator and denominator can be divided by 13. So let's see. 13 8s are 104. 115 minus 104 is 11. We'll have to put a decimal point here. Now 11 is remaining, so 119. 13 9s are 117, 2 remains 24, 13 ones are 13, 24 minus 13 is 11, again 11 remains 117, 13 9s are 117. So 8.919 divided by 13 3s are 39, so 0.3. Now what we can do, we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10, so we can eliminate decimal point in the denominator. So we get 89.19 divided by 3 kg, and this is equal to 3 2s are 6, 2 remains, 3 9s are 27, 2 remains, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. So 29.73 kg is weight of one load. So this is the answer, 29.73 kgs.